Hello, my name is Laimlas and I am going to show how to create cycles with PHP. I'm gonna explain for and while cycles, and I will start with for cycle. So first of all, we need to create a variable. I will create variable var, which one will be equal to while1. Right now we gonna write for cycle. So for cycle is writing like that: for our variable semicolon condition. So our variable is less or equals to 10, and how our variable will change during the cycle. So variable plus equals to 1, for example. After that, here goes our cycle code, our cycle output, for example. So we're gonna write echo our var and brick row symbol for better reading. So how it works: we have here our variable defined, which one is equals to 1. After that, we have here our condition. So how cycle will work. So it means it works until var value will be less or equals to 10. And how our var variable will change. So it means var variable will increase by 1 each time we run his part of code. So let's check how it looks on browser. On browser it looks like this. So he ran it exactly 10 times because here was 1, so he ran it 1 time, added his value, so it means increase it by 1, so 1 increased by 1, it's 2, and after that he checks or our variable is less or equals to 10. If it is, he runs cycle again, and after that again increases by 1 and checks or it's alright. So on last line you see our variable is 10, so he added again and it was 11, and he checks 11 isn't less or equals to 10, and he skips his part and goes out of cycle, and cycle stops. So this is how it works. So let's see how while cycle works. Let's echo here horizontal line and write while cycle, and we can copy it and write somewhere here. This is for cycle. So what's more, what's next? Next we need to define our variable 2, which one will be equals to 1 also. So right now we need to write while cycle syntax. So it looks like that: while and our condition. So while var 2 variable is less than or equals to 10, for example, and he will do his part of code like you see. So how his one works? His one works almost the same like this one, just we don't need so a lot of writing here. So he always checks or our variable 2 is less or equals to 10, but he do not change his value of var2, so we need to change it by ourselves inside the cycle. So let's give us output our var2, which one is equals to 1, and after that we need a brick row for better reading, and after that we will write here var2 plus equal to 1. So it means he will run cycle like that. We have 1, so it checks or 1 is less and equal to 10 or equal to 10. So he is less and he runs his part of code. So he will give that output, and after that increases our while to variable by 1 and runs it again. If he gets false here, he skips his part and finishes our cycle. So let's check how it looks on browser. It looks like this. We have for cycle where I showed, and we have our while cycle. We can do, for example, until 20, and it looks like this. So like you see, 20 enters. So thank you for watching. Please click subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can comment below. I will try to answer them. See you.